Welcome to Tasty Tuesdays, where each week we'll highlight a healthy, tasty recipe that kids can make with their parents. This program is brought to you by Jackson County 4-H agent Caroline Chappell and Family and Consumer Sciences agent Terri.
Today's recipe is for fruit pizza. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees and making the crust first. Combine 1/2 cup of margarine, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Mix it until it's light and fluffy. Then add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 cups of flour. You'll want to use a deep bowl so that the crust doesn't make a mess when you're using the mixer.
Spread the mixture out on the pan. It should be about 1/8 of an inch thick. If you're having any trouble with clumps, you can use a sheet of clear plastic wrap over the top to help you spread the mixture evenly with your hands. Make sure to remove the plastic wrap before you put it in the oven. Then bake your crust for 10 to 12 minutes or until lightly brown.
While you're waiting on the crust to cool, go ahead and make your cream cheese spread. Mix together 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend them until they're smooth.
Next, wash and cut up 1 cup of fruit. You can add any fruits you like: bananas, pears, peaches, or even blueberries. We use strawberries and kiwis. Once you've picked your fruit, you can add your cream cheese topping and then add your fruit on top. Once you've assembled your fruit pizza, you can refrigerate it until you're ready to eat.
This recipe was adapted from ChooseMyPlate.go. The link will be in the description. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to click the like button, show us your creations in the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can follow our Facebook page.